Hi everyone, my name is Nikki and I am going to be reviewing the Instasmile Clip On Veneers. Pregnancy and the hormones destroyed my teeth. I have 3 children. My last pregnancy absolutely destroyed my teeth. So I chose Instasmile Clip On Veneers because actual veneers are a little bit too expensive for me. I have the top and the bottom. I am a 4-year customer of Instasmile. This is my 3rd set. I bought my first pair in 2019, and the first shade I had was like more of a natural, and I just wanted to upgrade to Hollywood White. These are the top pair, and these are the bottom. My teeth before, they're bad, but the bottoms ain't too bad, but the top is actually really, really bad. There's those. You can eat with them, you can drink with them. The only time I take these out is when I go to bed. They have gave me so much confidence. This is probably better lighting. Make me so much more happy, and thank you, Instasmile.